Hello, I found an animal track. Leads across the grass, and I thought I'd look to see if I could find any signs to find out what animal had made it. And I found a hoof print, a lovely heart-shaped hoof print, which I think belongs to a fallow deer. And I'm going to go along the track and see if I can see any more. Oh, there's quite a few around here, and here, and here, and here is some deer poo. Looks a little bit like sheep poo or rabbit poo, but it's got a pointy bit at one end and often has a little dent in the other. So now I'm really sure that this is a deer track. Well, this is a great time of year to look for tracks before the ground gets too hard in the summer. And there's a bit of mud over here, and I'm going to see if I can find any other animal tracks. Wow. Wow, I can see a big bird has been walking along here. And here there are some tiny footprints of a small mammal, maybe a mouse or a weasel. Every animal leaves behind signs that it's been there. It could be things that it's eaten, bits of its fur, footprints, or poo. Well, I'm going to leave a trail. I'm going to make mine out of sticks and arrows. Why don't you see if you can make a trail and maybe hide behind something and get someone to follow your trail and find you?